If it is appearing, you can go for full screen and yeah, hello all. I want to greet you all participate all over the world, and I want to thank you all and thank Eudoxia family to give me this opportunity to presentate my experiment. Yeah. Mm-hmm. You can use our full screen. Mm-hmm. Yeah, yes, sir. Now it is coming. Thank you. Yeah, my name is Ayman Mustafa, and I've conducted this research in the Institut für Agrar- und Stadtökologische Projekte in the Humboldt University in Berlin. It's a great honor to share you my research methods and results in this excellent summit. My research name is minimization of groundwater, of nitrogen entry into groundwater through maize and soybean intercropping system using different mineral and organic fertilization dosages. As we know that agriculture is the main cause of nitrogen pollution in groundwater, because we use different kinds of fertilization materials. For example, organic fertilizer and mineral fertilizer, especially when we use the irrigation systems. These high concentrations in irrigation systems, or even when we use the fertilizers directly on the soil, will leach in the groundwater and increase the nitrate concentration in the drinking water. This high concentrations of nitrogen in drinking water can cause some health problems like cancer and infants cyanosis. That's why we should find some strategies in order to solve this problem. But first, we should know what's the meaning of intercropping. Intercropping is to grow different crops at the same time in the same area. In our research, we have two crops, maize and soybean. Both of them can be grown in a monocropping system, for example, maize alone or soybean alone, or we can grow them together in intercropping system. The aim of this study is to evaluate nitrate leaching using fertilizer in intercropping system of soybean and maize, as well as in monocropping of maize alone. Then we can determine the effect of cropping system on reduction of nitrogen pollution and groundwater by reducing the plant need of nitrogen through legume crop nitrogen fixation and using another source of nitrogen, which is more available for the plant and which stay in the soil for more time. This experiment has been carried out in Germany in the village of Berge at the research station of ESP in the year 2017. The sandy soil was sieved and then filled in long plastic tubes in which we have sown the maize and soybean. We have used the very common Mitchell-ish pots, which contains upper part and lower part. And I have installed those plastic pipes, which are 1 meter high and 20 centimeter diameter and can contain 40 kilograms of soil. We have two factors in this experiment. The first factor is the cropping system. We have two cropping systems in our experiment. We have maize monocropping alone. I've sown